The Microsoft Excel formulas are split depending on functionality. They are split based on financial, logical, text functions, date and time functions, lookup and reference functions, math and trigonometric functions, and also statistical, engineering, cube, information, compatibility, and web functions. This lesson is part of our text functions where we cover how to split first name and last name. This lesson will cover functions such as left, right, len, and find functions. The left function splits the first name and last name such that all names on the left side remain here, while the right function splits so that the right name is the last name. The len and find function will help us to achieve that. Let's get started. To split the first name, we'll need to use the left function. The left function returns the specified number of characters from the start of a text string. The syntax of the left function is two parts: the text that you want to split and the number of characters that you want to split towards the left. So we click on A2 and select or enter the number of characters for Sarah, which is 5. Then close the brackets and enter. On copying this downwards, you realize that Sarah is not only 5 characters, but also affects all the 5 characters downwards. So we need an intelligent way of splitting so that names like Maurice that are more than Sarah, Wekesa, Sean, Kielu will be split and left on the left side. So using the len function, using the find function, we will use the find function to establish the length of Sarah by finding the position of the space in Sarah -1. Then close the bracket and press enter. Then we copy this downwards. This way, the find function will find that the length of Sarah plus the space is 6. Then we subtract 1 so that we get 5. That way, it is the left or the first name. To find the last name, we use a combination of the right function, the len function, and the find function. Let's get started. If type is equals to right, the right function returns the specified number of characters from the end of a text string. The syntax for the right function is the text that you want to split and the number of characters towards the right. When you click on Sarah Katende and enter the number of characters for Katende, Katende has 7 characters. You enter 7 and press enter. Now you can copy this downwards. You realize that it's going to only fetch the last 7 characters. In cases where the characters are less than 7 or more than 7, they're going to fetch including the spaces. Now, we know that the find function will find the position of the space in a text string. For example, we can find the space, the position of space in Sarah Katende like that. The find function will find the position of the space in a text string that you want to split. So find space in Sarah Katende like that will give us 6 characters. It means the length for Sarah and the space is 6. Now, the length for the entire character for Sarah Katende is found by using the function len, which returns the number of characters of a text string. Now, we find that and click here, and you find that the length for Sarah Katende is 13. Therefore, it's correct to say the length for Katende will be 13 minus 6, which is 7. Now, we replace the 7 that we entered here with the mathematical expression, which is len A2 minus find space in A2. That way, we'll come here and retype that this will be len, the entire text length for Sarah Katende, minus find space in A2, and we close the bracket and enter. Now when we copy downwards, we'll get that the first name and last name has been solved by left, right, len, and find function. Thanks for watching.